So basically here at Birdie King, we are the custom producer of custom polos. So we make everything in-house in Sarasota, Florida. There's our blank fabric. We're literally taking that, sublimating it to get your finished shirt. So this is the heat press where all the sublimation happens. It takes the blank fabric and then paper that has the print on it, and it turns the ink from the paper into a gas. And that's how it adheres to the fabric. If you look in the back, you can see more of the finished roll of material. And then after we do this, we will laser cut that out by size.